Welcome back to Man Cave Garage Workshop. Today we're going to replace a salt chlorinator for my pool. So take a look. If you got one that looks like this, keep watching and we'll replace it together. Okay, first thing you want to do is obviously make sure the pool is off, but then we're going to loosen this valve here to make sure the pressure is out of the canister filter. Then we're going to come over to the panel and turn off the breaker. I recommend getting yourself a nice big wrench in order to take this off because they do get tight. So that's the replacement. It's not exactly the same model, but it does replace the one that I had. As you can see, it's real easy to plug it in and replace it without having to get an electrician to come in and do it for you. I do recommend, if you can do the unscrewing and tightening this back on, plug this in, you're good to go. Don't pay someone to do this. Okay, back to the panel. So underneath the panel, there'll be a cord coming out that attaches to the salt cell. So get underneath it. It's got a little screw top that you can undo. There you go. So that's what it looks like. It does have a slots in there, so you'll see these slots that line it up perfectly. So when you put the new one in, it should go in nice. Okay, so as you see, the new one will fit perfectly right at the same spot. Now, since I already got pieces glued on for the pipe, we don't need the screw tops that come with it. Okay, now we're going to run the wire back to the power outlet. So again, we have the same connector. We're going to put it back in the same slot. That's all we got to do. Okay, now back to the box. And we'll turn power back on. Now we got to turn the pump back on. Apparently, I didn't tighten it enough. Well, there you have it. Just make sure that you double check for leaks because you don't want your pool leaking out your salt cell. Thanks again for watching Man Cave Garage Workshop. I hope this helped you out if you were installing a salt cell into your pool. We'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks. Bye.